The already endangered North Atlantic right whale may have more trouble to deal with, as researchers say they have yet to see signs of newborns this year. With a population of just 458, the whales went from producing 411 calves between 1990 to 2014, with an average of 17 a year, to just 5 being born in 2017. That's according to the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. Researchers are tracking the right whale's birthing grounds, ranging from Georgia to Florida, but have yet to see any signs of newborns during a time when mothers would be routinely birthing and nursing. The animals may have possibly moved elsewhere to birth, but scientists say it would be unprecedented if no new calves were born. According to the NOAA, between 2010 to 2014, almost 6 whales were killed or severely injured a year on average, with 17 being killed in 2017. Dr. Charles Mayo, director of the Right Whale Ecology Program, told the New York Times, quote, "We're looking at the very real possibility of extinction."